Here I have ALCATEL 3X 2020, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the smart manager, battery, and here you have normal saving mode and the super saving mode. Today I will show you normal saving mode. By tapping here you can enable it. And you also can set a schedule for it, when it starts and when it ends here. And you can also switch battery saving mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.